Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to edit your iPhone's control center. This powerful feature allows you to quickly access essential functions with just a single swipe. You can personalize it to include shortcuts for tools like the flashlight, calculator, or camera, making your daily tasks much more efficient. Let's dive in and make your iPhone truly work for you. To begin customizing, open your iPhone Settings application and then select Control Center. Here, you will find two sections, Included Controls and More Controls. To add a new shortcut, simply tap the green plus icon located next to the desired item in the More Controls list. It will instantly appear in your control center, ready for use. Removing an unwanted control is just as simple. In the Control Center settings, tap the red minus icon next to any item in the Included Controls section, then confirm by tapping Remove. To reorder your shortcuts, simply drag the three horizontal lines icon next to each control. Arrange them to place your most used functions at the very top for quick access. To truly optimize your control center, focus on keeping it streamlined with only the tools you use most often. Consider adding accessibility shortcuts for quick access to features like magnifier or guided access. Experiment with different layouts and combinations of controls to discover what best supports your daily workflow. A well-organized control center saves you valuable time every single day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.